What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Millie Ellie, and today is my first YouTube video ever. Bear with me because it's gonna be a little cringy and awkward, but I hope that I get better at this as I keep filming. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Boxycharm unboxing. So if you're interested in that, just keep watching. Now, I'm sorry that this is so late in the month, but with everything going on with the virus, packages have been arriving late. So I literally just got this the other day. Plus I had to then figure out this whole like filming and editing thing. So that's why it's up kind of late. But anyways, this is what the box looks like this month. So let's just dive in. The theme of the month is festival vibes, which is kind of cool because that just like reminds me of Coachella, which I think was supposed to happen in April, but obviously it's not, which is sad. I've never been to Coachella, but I've always wanted to go, so I'm hoping that will happen sometime in the future. Anyway, so the first thing in the box is this, and it's a POREfessional hydrating primer. You either got this one or the regular one. I'm actually not going to test this out today because I'm going to give it to my friend who wants to try it out. To be honest, I don't like the POREfessional primers. They don't work well for my skin. Every time I've tried to apply them, they would always just pill up on me, and I don't really know why. So I'm going to just set that aside and give that to her. So then the next thing in the box are these two beauty sponges by Hank and Henry. And I'm going to test these out for you today on camera. Let me go dampen these real quick and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So they give you this bigger sponge and then a littler sponge to use for like concealer, I'm guessing. They feel very like light and airy, which I prefer in beauty sponges. I don't like when they're too dense because I feel like that picks up more of the product than it lays down. So let's try these out. So to try them out, I'm going to be using my Clinique Even Better foundation in the shade Cream Whip. I'm gonna just put 2 pumps on the back of my hand. Like that. And then dot it all over my face. Wow. That actually blended out really well. Like, can you see that? It looks so good, which is surprising because, to be honest, I didn't think I was gonna like these sponges, but I love them. Like, do you see how nicely that blended out? That's crazy. My hair. Wow. I love that. I'm shook because I did not think that I was gonna like that. It blended out my foundation so well. And now I'm gonna try out the littler sponge for my concealer. And the concealer I'm using today is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer because that's all I have right now. Okay, I'm gonna go blend this out. Oh my god. My skin looks amazing. That worked so well. Like I love those sponges and I'm gonna keep using them for a long time. The next item in the box is this Zoeva palette. It's the Cocoa Blend palette. This is what it looks like. Very pretty colors. Right up my alley. I wouldn't say that it is festival vibes because when I think of a festival, I think of like bright neon, just very colorful. But I'm gonna test this out for you. I'm gonna do a quick look. Actually, I'm gonna go set my face real quick, and then I'm gonna do a quick look, and then I will tell you my thoughts on the palette. So, BRB. All right, I'm back. I just set my face, put a little bronzer on, did my brows real quick. I didn't do much with my brows because I'm not going anywhere. I just filled them in kind of naturally. So let's get into this palette. Okay, so this is the look I came up with. I do like the palette overall. The only issue I have with it is there was a lot of fallout. Like the red shade on my eyes was literally all over my cheeks down here, but it wiped away easily, so I mean that's not that big a deal, I guess, but just to let you know, there is fallout. So the next thing in the box were these lashes by Battington, and I'm actually not going to try these on today. I don't typically wear lashes unless I'm going somewhere, and since I'm not, I don't really want to go through the trouble of like putting them on. But anyway, this is what they look like. They're really pretty. So when I do try them on, I'll let you know if I liked them and if they were easy to apply and whatnot. So the last thing in the box this month is this Dose of Colors. It's the Lip It Up Satin lipstick. Mine is in the shade Mochi. You either got this shade, or I know some of you got like a peachy nude shade. So let's take a look. Okay, I really like the packaging. It's pretty, very rose gold and shiny. So let's open this. This is what it looks like. It's very pink. I don't like how, did I just break it? No. I don't like how it like sticks up so far. That's what she said. Wow. I don't like how this part sticks out. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it every time I take the cap off, but let's go ahead and put it on. Oh God. Wowzy wowza, I don't like that. It's too pink for me. I don't typically wear colors like this, but do you know who this would look good on? If you had like a darker skin tone, this would look bomb on you. Like maybe if I had a tan, which I don't at the moment, but if I did, maybe this would look better. So I'm gonna keep this, play around with it some more, see if I can get it to where I like it, because right now, especially with this eye look, I look crazy. So that was everything in this month's box. Let me know down below what you got. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Also, let me know what you would like to see from me next, and I will try to do that for you. And if this video wasn't that bad to watch, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And also click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!